Great British Railways is a planned state-owned public body that will oversee rail transport in Great Britain from 2023. The organization will replace Network Rail as the operator of rail infrastructure and will also control the contracting of train operations, the setting of fares and timetables, and the collection of fare revenue in England. The concession contract system will replace the previous system of passenger rail franchising in Great Britain run by the Department for Transport, which collapsed in 2020 during the COVID-19 pandemic. GBR will be modelled on the operations of Transport for London, which contracts services on systems such as London Overground. Andrew Haines and Sir Peter Hendy, the current CEO and chair of Network Rail respectively, will oversee the creation of Great British Railways, with Hendy expected to run the new organisation. Britain's railway system was built by private companies, but it was nationalised by the Transport Act 1947 and run by British Rail until reprivatisation, which was begun in 1994 and completed in 1997. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.